watched him come up and eat that too. Come on. Got him. Got you this time. There you go. Jeez. Jerk. On the baby bass color. I got a baby bass. How about that? There you go, 1 1/4. Got another one on the wacky rig. You better be hooked good, bud. Oh, it's flung off my baby bass worm. Now I gotta head back, you little jerk. Ah, stupid little 2-pound. No, don't flop out. No, 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 no. Chill, chill, my friend. We can be buddies. Stop, stop, stop flopping, please. I release bass. I'm not one of those weird guys that keeps them. Not that keeping bass is weird. I'm sure they might taste good if you cook them good, but I don't know. 1 1/2. Nice one. Let them go. Let them go. I'm gonna run back and grab my walleye harness in a second, I guess, because Papa keeps slaying them. There's a net behind you. Walleye? I'm gonna come up behind you and get the net. I don't think that's a walleye. Oh, I do? Pulling Papa around. Guys, look at this fight. I'm getting my lure in. Pulling you around, Papa. Here, I'll get the net out from behind you without tangling in your line here. I hope. Here. I'll be net man. Okay. Papa, I just lost one. Jeez, it's pulling you around. What do you got? Pike or something? Yeah, especially when you're in a kayak, it's gonna be a lot harder to land them. Could be a big sheephead. I can't see, the glare is so bad. This is a monster. Jeez. Oh, what is it? Me neither. Is it? Nice. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh no. Kayak catfish. Heard it here first, folks. I think I'm gonna run back and grab the pliers and my walleye harness. Alright guys, nice channel, catfish. Here I'm grunting. It's like a 20-incher. Let's let him go. There he goes.